Hello everyone, welcome to Tim's Hobby Hour. This is part five I believe, of this m-46 Paton tank. I am currently halfway working on some of this because I done screwed up on some glue. Too much glue and it leaked out because the holes aren't quite flush for this. From the last video, which was just a couple seconds ago. I wish I had accelerator. I do not anymore. So I will, I'm just gonna let it sit there. Actually, I have to let it over here because I have to glue this on top. Now how am I going to, okay. So we're going to pop some glue on here, make sure I'm in focus. I actually have some CA glue accelerator on order. It's heading here soon. Okay. So I'm just letting all that glue set in. And that is just going to sit there. Okay. That will do. Okay, now we're going to pop this on, which what we're going to do is we're going to clip off these nubs because we're gluing it shut. Okay. And then we're going to pop some glue here. Pachoo. And on this little ring here. And that's going to be our door. Closed up. We're also going to grab this, which also has such bad molding lines that there's no actual hole for these nubs to go into without me drilling new holes. So we're going to go ahead and not use them. Pop some glue here on the outside and on the sides there. We're going to plop it right down, right here. And that's going to be our little piece. Okay. All that's coming together. Now there's supposed to be 2 antennas, which I also have to trim again because they're not a perfect circle anymore. Well, they weren't a perfect circle in the first place, but those will fit in here. Supposed to, at least. I don't know if they will. Let me hold on this and see if it's even gonna... Nope. I gotta drill a bigger hole. Bigger hole. Sucks, but that's just what happens when you got these. I just got these drill bits. These are real nice. They have like really small ones too, which is what I need for later videos. I'm also thinking, because of Black Friday sales, I'm also thinking of getting an automatic, it's called a wow stick, and it's just a low torque, or high torque, low speed. This is not big enough, give me a second. High torque, low speed drill, electric drill, rechargeable. So you probably hear my dog whining. He's being a little poopy butthole, whining away. So hard being a dog. Alright. Pop these here. Lay down, buddy. Come on. Hades, lay down. He wants part of this. He can't come up to me and have me sit with him anymore because I moved my desk. Okay. Let's see if this will work now. Am I literally gonna have to get another? There it goes. Okay. Boom, baby. I'm actually gonna pop some more glue on here and try and get it to stick, because it doesn't want to do that. I might try one of these hairpins maybe. Let me see about that. Yep, that will do. That'll hold her nicely. Okay, we'll hold that there for now. There's something that's got to go here, which is a 50 cal. Used to work on them in the army. They were a blast. The Modus. It's funny, they actually, in World War II, production was so, they started doing producing so many from so many different companies. Or actually, Maytag, the washing machine company, produced 50 cal machine guns. It was pretty wild. They actually had one at the like on displays and stuff at museums, and you can see the Maytag name on it. Super cool. That's how war went in World War II. We needed so much stuff. And a lot of the stuff really wasn't best quality because of how fast we had to produce it. I mean, it was still great quality compared to a lot of different other countries, but oh no, I broke it. Daggone it. Okay, I'm gonna try and squeeze this until it's short. Let's try this again. Attempt number 2. Okay, that's how it's gonna have to fit. Kind of weirdly, but it's gonna fit there. So. All right. Now we've got to. There's a track portion here. That's where tracks are supposed to go. This is where some of these pieces are supposed to go. So we're gonna have to use our chisel and open this part real quick. My fingers are getting glued to the side because the glue still hasn't dried. The super glue, some of it's still leaking out. This is also where I wear gloves. I do have some unsavory tattoos, but the big thing for me is I cannot do super glue on the hands, man. Oh my gosh, or any type of glues. I don't know what it does to me, but I just cannot do it. See, like that, there was glue right there. That would have put that crunchy, nasty glue onto my regular hands and my bare hands, and I would have been very upset. Alright, we'll pop some glue here. Pop some glue here. We'll pop this here. Pop one there. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. I'll do a little bit of cleanup off camera, and we will pick up with putting the track on and finishing up on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video.